Good morning, good day, good night. Today I'd like to share with you a very useful practice from my life. In January last year I started to keep a journal of my important and insignificant achievements. And it turned out to be a top whole idea. I often notice when people make a mess with something, they start to blame themselves, wear themselves out, but when they do remarkable feat, they perceive it as a matter of course. I'm sure that it's absolutely wrong approach. When you create your own list of breakthroughs, by that you switch your attention from negative aspects of your life to positive events. And their energy of success accumulates around you. Don't be afraid you have a fair conceit of yourself. Otherwise, you will mark up self-assessments and it's really can't be unwanted. And there is a couple of advices about how to keep a journal. If you feel it's a matter of a great moment, it's something outstanding for you, okay, enter in a list. Never mind what other people think about your achievements. You have to compare yourself only with yourself. For example, a few hours ago I jotted down that I slid downhill on ski in spite of I'm afraid of steep down. Actually, I wasn't in the mood to take off the ski and walk down the hill by foot. It's really so. And second advice, write down your success with a pen. This movie is a great exercise for your mind, and also the process will be more creative and alive. You may begin to keep your own journal at any time, of course, but now it's great moment because of now it's the top of the year. After years practice, you will catch sight of the list of your own achievements and you will wonder that you did a really good year's work. It's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Have a good day. Bye.